Tesla bot Optimus ready for field tests. Tesla bot Optimus is ready for field tests at factories, according to the company's job post for the robot. Tesla has over 60 job listings related to the development of its humanoid robot Optimus. One of the vacancies calls for a technical program manager for the Tesla bot team. The job description suggests that Tesla is ready to test Optimus in factories. The Tesla bot team is seeking an experienced technical program manager to drive the deployment of robots for trial applications. They will work daily with design engineering, infrastructure, manufacturing, and operations teams to identify and execute pilot applications of humanoid robots in various manufacturing environments. Work will cover multiple job sites and may require frequent travel. Strong technical skills will be utilized to identify and mitigate risks and react quickly to operational issues and evolving targets. Noted the job description for the technical program manager position. Tesla Optimus bot tackles newest task, your laundry. Tesla also has a job opening for a QA tester on the Tesla bot team. Based on the description, the position doesn't require travel or field tests, like the technical program manager opening. However, it does require the tester to meticulously record test results through test logs, screenshots, and videos. The company is still looking for some bright people to fill its Tesla bot teams. Different jobs are open for anyone interested in developing the Tesla bot, including C software engineer, electrical test engineer, engineering technician, and more. Source: reposted and summarized from Maria Merano at teslarati.